The world is changing fast, but you can learn it at a slower pace.
Special English.
Please note that the following stories are read by AI, but all information has been written and verified by professional editors. You are listening to Special English.
The China Manned Space Agency recently announced that China's Chang'e 7 lunar exploration mission, scheduled for launch in the second half of this year, will conduct environmental and resource surveys of the Moon's south pole and carry out international cooperation. Zhang Jingbo, the agency's spokesperson, said, "The Chang'e 7 mission will employ a comprehensive exploration approach encompassing orbiting, landing, roving, and hopping." In April this year, the Chang'e 7 lunar probe was delivered to the launch site in the southern island province of Hainan, where it is undergoing pre-launch preparations. Zhang revealed that all related work is progressing steadily as planned. Besides the unmanned moon mission, China is targeting a crewed lunar landing by 2030. According to Zhang, the country has integrated its existing crewed lunar landing and unmanned lunar exploration efforts into a unified moon exploration project. Earlier this year, China successfully conducted a low-altitude demonstration and validation test for the Long March 10 rocket system, along with a maximum dynamic pressure abort flight test for the crewed spacecraft system Mengzhou. Zhang added, "These tests have laid a solid foundation for the development of a future reusable crewed space-Earth transportation system and for crewed lunar landing." The spokesperson said that China will continue to organize and complete key missions as planned, including a technical verification flight of the Long March 10, as well as the maiden flights of Mengzhou and the lunar lander Lanyue.
You are listening to Special English.
The state grid, Qinghai Electric Power Company, has installed more than 6,000 artificial bird nests in the Sanjiangyuan area in northwest China's Qinghai province to boost biodiversity conservation. The Sanjiangyuan area, known as China's Water Tower, is home to the headwaters of the Yangtze, Yellow, and Lansang rivers, and boasts among the highest levels of high-altitude biodiversity in the world. This area is now home to approximately 300 species of birds. In 2016, the company launched a project to build nests for birds on electricity transmission poles and towers in the Sanjiangyuan area. The project integrates ecological protection into the construction of the power grid, creating a mutually beneficial solution that not only provides homes for birds, but also ensures the uninterrupted transmission of electricity from material selection and spatial layout to wind-proof reinforcement. These artificial nests are tailored to the roosting needs of birds. Currently, the company has successfully attracted birds to nest in more than 3,100 of the 6,053 artificial nests installed. Meanwhile, the company has partnered with researchers and conservation groups on interdisciplinary research, bridging ornithology and power systems. High-definition cameras mounted on poles and towers near the artificial nests enable real-time monitoring, collection, and analysis of bird activity data, supporting dynamic evaluation of the artificial nest project. Statistics show that over the last decade, bird populations in the Sanjiangyuan area have steadily grown, reflecting the tangible results of biodiversity conservation. By attracting raptors, including those that hunt pikas, to nest in these artificial structures, the project has helped curb rodent outbreaks, safeguard alpine meadows, and shore up vulnerable links in the local ecosystem. China State Shipbuilding Corporation announced that its researchers recently completed a 537-day deep-sea material corrosion test at a depth of 10,000 meters. The company said the test, which set a new duration record, was conducted in an extremely harsh environment, featuring high pressure, low temperature, high salinity, and extremely low dissolved oxygen. Overcoming multiple challenges, the research team established an effective ultra-low consumption power management system and a deep-sea corrosion protection technology system. The shipbuilder noted these enable accurate deployment, reliable residence, and complete recovery of devices in the deep-sea environment, adding that data records were complete while the samples were recovered intact. Liao Ziqian, a senior researcher of the company, said the type of data obtained from the long-running test was scarce globally. The successful test is expected to offer support to tasks such as deep-sea exploration, mining, and oil and gas development.
That is the end of today's program. I hope you will join us every day to learn English at a slower pace.